Here's how to adjust how loud the end of cycle tone is on a Bosch dishwasher similar to mine here, which should include the entire 300 and 500 series that have zone wash. First, hit the power button. Then in the cycle area, find the fourth button from the left. Mine says speed 60, but your fourth button may be called something else. Hold that button down until the rinse aid light starts blinking. Then let go. If you think you've made a mistake at any point in the process, hit the power button to turn it off, and then turn it on again and start over. With that rinse aid light blinking, start tapping the fourth cycle button until both the clean and rinse aid lights flash. It'll likely start making a noise. Then start tapping the start button. And as you do it, you'll hear that noise cycle through 4 different volumes, including silence. When you land on the one you want, hold down that fourth button for 3 seconds and it'll save the setting. You can then turn it off.